Hello everyone, good evening. This is Manpreet from Career Talk and I'm here live to answer your all queries regarding German studies, German job, German PR, whatever you want to know. So please write down your queries in the comment box and I'm here to answer your all queries. Hello dear, hi, very good evening. Hello Devil, okay. Right. Please write down your queries in a comment box so that I can answer your queries. I'm getting lots of queries in a chat box. Can I open JNM is eligible? Uh, we can check your documents first, then we can reply you that you are eligible or not. First share your documents so that my team can check the documents. After that, I can give you a green signal. Yeah, German language is mandatory. Without German language, jobs are not possible in Germany. If you plan to do job in Germany, plan to get a PR in Germany, then yes, German language is mandatory. Write down your queries fast. MBBS in Germany possible in MBBS from Germany only possible in German language here. If you're planning to do MBBS from Germany, any medical course from Germany only possible in German language. If we are studying in English taught, then is German language compulsory? Then there is no need of German language for visa filing or anything. But yes, for PR, German language is mandatory, and for jobs, it's good if you plan to learn German language. It helps you to mingle in their culture to get good opportunities in Germany. Okay, let's the queries. I only have 1.5 year of experience after. Yes, you can try because it takes time to get a license approval. In the meanwhile, you can complete your total experience. Then you are eligible to apply for the nursing jobs in Germany. But yes, mandatory also German language. So try to learn German language also. Up to which level for PR? Up to B1 level is mandatory. Hi Kushi. Okay, how much did B2 level cost from Germany? Dear, in Germany, German language is seriously costly. So if you plan to do any single level from Germany, it costs around 70 to 80,000 per level. So it's good if you learn up to 3 levels from India and do higher levels from Germany. B2 and C1 in Germany per level of 2 months and per level around 70 to 80,000. You can say that. 3 years bachelor degree acceptable. Yes, 3 years bachelor degree acceptable if you plan to apply in private universities, and if you plan to apply in public universities, then try to apply with the help of German language. That German language helps you to increase the credits. Then you are eligible to apply with 3 years bachelor's also. Waiting for more queries. I want to know about MSc nursing from Germany. If you done BSc nursing, then try to apply for a direct jobs in Germany. And still, if you plan for MSc nursing, then it's possible only in German language. Try to learn German language up to 3 levels from India, then B2 and C1 higher levels from Germany. Then you are eligible to study MSc nursing from German public universities free of cost. Can we do A1 level being in Germany, but from yes, but yes, if you reach Germany on the at universities and you are planning to study in English language, and yes, after reaching Germany there is a need of German language, then you can learn German language online classes by taking online classes from India also. How much time did it takes for offer letter? For offer letter, conditional offer letter, if you talk about like public universities, then it takes around 2.5 months or 2 months. If you talk about private universities, then it takes around 5 days. You can say working 5 days. Private universities. Waiting for more queries. Fast, fast, please ask your queries. I'm live only for 1 or 2 minutes, not more. Only the answers with the queries which I'm getting on Insta messengers. These queries are pending so that I am live to answer all the queries. Yes, master's visa dates are available. If you log in file for a private universities, you have a confirmed offer letter. Then December visa dates also available, and you can fly for the Jan intake, March intake easily. You can log in file as soon as possible. Yes, for masters there is a required of IELTS 6.5 band, and for bachelors there you can apply with 5.5 band. Also, if you plan to study in English language and if you plan to study in German language, then German language is enough. Then there is no need of IELTS. Please brief about UE 1 year MBA. Dear, if you done your bachelor's and you also have a 1 year work experience, then you are eligible of 1 year MBA course from University of Europe Applied Science. And after scholarship, the total package university fees is around only 12 lakh. Should I have to give all level exam of language or only B1 level is required for what? Obviously, B1 level is required if you plan for a PR, if you plan to apply for a job, and if you plan to study, then B1 level is mandatory. There is no need to give a GOIT exam of all levels. Always try to give the exam of higher level. But if you want to give the exam of each level, it will help you to increase your confidence in how you give the GOIT exams. But for the visa filing, always there is a need of higher level GOIT exams. Hello dear, write down your queries please. Which is more easy, English taught or German taught? Obviously you guys find that English is easiest one, but if you plan to enter in Germany with the help of German language, then seriously Germany helps you to make your base stronger in German language also. So there is no need to be worried that how you can learn German language. The country itself help you to learn into its language, convert into its language. I love Preet. Please write down your queries fast. I guess all done. Okay, then thank you. If you want to coordinate with me, then try to visit our office. If you want to ask more questions, then join our Zoom session at 5 p.m. Insta live at 5:30 p.m. Thank you so much. Bye bye.